Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with a quick, well, a demolding for, Hiipoo resin dyes. They kindly contacted me and sent me these fantastic resin dyes. So I'll have the links below and coupon code and etc. And so now on with the video. Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I was kindly contacted by Hiipoo 24 color sky epoxy resin dye. Now, I have no idea what that means, but the sky epoxy, in other words. But this set is it's a kind of combination set. So it's got some opaque resin dyes along with the translucent resin dyes. So I've just prepared a couple of shaker keychain molds. This one obviously is the cauldron that I've put just a tiny bit of mica powder and then some of the chameleon flakes. Same thing, just a little mica powder and just a little mica powder. Alright, so I'm gonna divide this into 3 different pots and then I'm gonna add some color. So let's pick some color, shall we? Okay, this one is the black. I'm kind of wanting to do a gray kind of color there. But really and truly just a thinner black I'm thinking we'll do. This one, I'm not quite sure. Let's see. Man, so much to choose from. Okay, that one just says green. I'm thinking there's one that's a light green. I'll have to search through everyone to be able to find it. Apple green? Okay, I might have been absolutely insane when I thought there was a light green. Okay, so the black, the apple green, and the black, I'm sorry, the black. Alright. Let me just grab okay, let's don't. Sorry about that. I also chose 3 glitters and I'm putting 1 scoop of each except for the black. I put 2 scoops, although they were a little bit more level scoop. So, alright. Now, the gray one. I thought I had already poked it. Dang it. You will have to poke a hole in these. Woo. Okay, now I put 4 drops in the one I want to stay gray. I put a squirt, a heavy squirt, in the one I want black. So in this one I want apple green. I really, really want it a pale. I'm gonna really just start with 1 drop. I'm very nervous. Okay, let's give these a stir, shall we? Oh, it's a little big of a stir stick. Okay. Hold please. Okay, sorry, I knew I had one somewhere. I mean, that had already been, it was already resined. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, so that is literally just 1 drop of that apple green. I hope y'all can see. Okay, this one is the, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. I hope it's not too dark. I hope it's not too dark. Okay, that is the 4 drops of the black. I can tell you already this one's gonna be too black. The reason I say it's too black is because there is such a thing as too black, and then you can't see the glitter that you put in there. Okay. Oh, I should have gloves on, y'all. Why didn't you say something? Okay. I'm sorry about that, y'all. Always wear your PPE. I do have a lot of ventilation going on. But I do normally wear my mask when I'm not on camera. Okay. And, of course, got a drop of black. Okay, so we're gonna pour this one first. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. That's so almost overfilled, y'all. I mean... Now this one I do know I have to pour a little bit more discreetly. Because you want the resin to flow into those arms. So I'll give it just a bit of encouragement. Okay, another literally drop or 2. Okay, yeah. Give this a little stir. Okay, hopefully that mica powder is going to be strong enough that bone will still be white. Even though it's backfilled with black resin. Okay. I don't want to breathe too hard now. Okay. Now, I'll, transport these to the drying room, and then I will be back tomorrow morning to unmold, to demold them. I know it's demold. I don't know why I say unmolding first. I don't. Still saying best gloves ever. Small. I have small hands, y'all. Okay, now it's the next day. Here's the pack of Hiipoo resin dyes, the 24 colors. Here's the 4 that we poured on camera. Sorry. And these were what I poured from the leftover. This one was not colored with the Hiipoo resin dyes. These, however, were. These were from leftover from another pour I did. Alright, so let's start with those. So cute. Boy, these are really nice and hard. I love, love, love that color. Wow. Okay. Now, of course, these will look the same, but we're gonna have fun on demolding them anyway. This blue batch, I did not have a chance to remove the bubbles. This crab is quite the chore to demold. Let's start where it's a little easier. So cute. I'm gonna leave that mermaid tail actually for last. Alright, this was the leftover that I had of the green. Now that I'm saying that, I'm pretty sure one of those black ones I didn't do on camera. Okay. Let's try this little... I believe it's supposed to be a corgi butt. I don't actually think corgis come in black, but I could be wrong. The glitter got a little concentrated. So cute. And it actually did stay very transparent. The one that we only put it's like 4 drops. We'll do this one. Now, these are the ones that I put the mica powder in them. Excuse me. Now, these arms are a bit on the trickier side. There we go. He's so cute. Really like the way that red mica turned out in there. Oh, and the top, although I didn't clean it quite close enough. Alright. We'll do this one first, just because it's so easy to demold. And too slick to hold on to. Okay, this one I just did a little mica at the top. And I love how it's still translucent and you can still see the glitter through it. That's cool. Okay. The cauldron. Now, you can barely see any glitter from the back side, so I'm a little concerned. Wow, I love it. The the chameleon flakes, oh, they turn out so pretty. Such an orangey color. The white of the bone and the green of the witch's potion. Oh, I love the glitter. I love it, and you can see it way on up in there. So cool. Alright, favorite one yet. Alright, I'll do the one that... the oddball. It's only because I didn't want to open... I didn't want to open the white for one drop. Because I wanted it to have a milky... But this was actually the pinata, which y'all know is not my favorite. And I would not call that white by any sense of the word. Okay. I believe the glitter is actually interference blue. Not sure why that's called that, but anyway. Yeah, well, I can see it when you turn it a little bit, yeah. But I like it. I love the gold flash of that glitter. It's really pretty. Okay. Now remember, this is the one that I did the mica powder and then just did the translucent resin.